Hello and assalamualaikum guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to be learning about PHP variables. So what are or is variable? A variable is a symbolic representation of a value. Basically it means that x is representing 10, y is representing 20, and if we say x plus y, we are basically saying 10 plus 20. Well, it results in 30, but basically what we are trying to say is that x holds value 10 and y holds value 20. Okay, so if we try to look at another definition, a variable is a special container that holds some value. So if you declare a variable called name, a container gets created, and if we assign some value to that variable, basically that value goes to the container. So whenever we call name, basically we are calling that value Ali from the container. Doesn't that make sense? I hope it does. So now let us learn variables in PHP. In PHP, we start variable with a $sign. So when we want to declare a variable, we start with the $sign, as you can see in this example. Now, variable names can include letters, numbers, and underscore. So as you can see, this variable contains the letters, the underscore, the number, and again the letter. So basically it contains all the things that are mentioned in here, and this is a valid variable. Okay, a variable cannot start with a number. For example, 90 is not equal to 90. This is not a variable, this is incorrect variable. So if you say 90 starting with 9 starting with a number, then your variable is incorrect and it will return an error. Okay, variables are case sensitive, means capital F-O-O is not equal to small f-O-O, and that is not equal to capital F, small o, and capital O. These are all different variables. So if you write all these, they will be considered different because PHP is case sensitive. Okay, now let's do some practicals. Now we are gonna declare a variable. We're gonna start off by $sign, then we are gonna name the variable name, and then we're gonna give it some value. Of course, I'll give it my name as value. Okay, now let us echo this. We're gonna echo my name is, then concatenate it with the name. Well, basically concatenation means connecting this with this sentence. So these two sentences will be connected together, or these two things will be connected together, this string and this variable. Okay, make sense? Let us save this by clicking in here and come back in here, refresh this. We see that it says my name is Ali. But now a big question. Why do we use variables? It's really stupid. Why do we use them? Well, let's go to preparation and let us take this part in here. Okay, and we are gonna paste it and save it, and let's run this. Not a big deal. Ali is a good boy. Ali loves to study. Ali can't live without internet. So all contains the word Ali or the name Ali. So if I were to change this name to Qasim or George or Lisa or anything, then I have to change it everywhere, right? What variable allows us to do is simplifies this step. So we're going to declare a variable called name, and we're going to give it some value, like for now Ali, and we are going to just copy this, and we're going to come in here and in here and in here. We're going to delete all these and we're going to paste this. So what will happen now is it's same thing, nothing will be different. So as you can see, nothing has changed even though I saved it. If you don't believe me, let me save it here and let me do it, no problem. But now if I change this name to Gabriela or Senorita, well, maybe I'm wrong with spelling, not sure about it. Let's save this and let us come here, refresh this. Senorita is a good boy, sucks. Senorita loves to study, good. Senorita can't live without internet, also good. So this is really powerful thing. Don't you believe me? Just look at it. So guys, that was all, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.